In this video, I'm about to show you how you can download and start using Cursor AI completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, Cursor is an AI code editor just like Visual Studio Code, and some people say this is the best AI for coding. So I wanted to personally try it, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to download it, and then I plan on trying it and testing it against ChatGPT, Gemini, or Cloudy AI. So if you don't want to miss those tests, you can like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. So some features that this AI code editor includes is basically using AI to code by pressing the tab key. So if you are coding something, you can press the tab key and it will autocomplete your code. You can also use a chat just like this, an AI chat, to ask him whatever you want. This AI can access all your coding files, so it will have context and will give you the right answers. Cursor is also supposed to edit your coding in natural language, so I will also test about that. And that's it. If we go to pricing, we will see it has a free plan available, and you can also get a 2-week trial for the pro plan. So right here we can also see the different features you can get by upgrading your membership. But in my case, I just want to try it, so I will go for the free option. So all you need to do is go to cursor.com and you can download it for Windows right here, or you can click the all downloads option. Right here you can find the Linux, macOS, or Windows download, and you can find different versions as well. In my case, I'm obviously going to download the latest one since it will have the most advanced AI. So just click, in my case it's Windows, click right here and save it wherever you want. So this will start installing the setup file for Cursor AI. So after it has been downloaded, you just need to click it and open it. Now this window will pop up. We just need to click on next, save it wherever you want. In my case, I will leave it on the default path. Then you can create a start menu folder as well. And you will have different options right here. If you want to create a desktop icon, so the program will appear on your desktop, you can enable this option. In my case, I'm going to activate all the options because I think those features are interesting as well. So for example, with this one, you can open files directly with Cursor when you are on the Windows Explorer file. Click on next and now install. So this will start installing the application and it should only take a few seconds or minutes. So let's wait. Now after it has been installed, we have this option to launch the Cursor right now. So we can click on finish and the app should launch right now and we will see the code editor. So now after it has been launched, we can sign up or log in into your account. So as you can see, AI features will require you to log into your account. If you don't want to use AI right now, you can skip and continue. But in my case, I'm going to create an account. Now, after you have entered your account, you can use this option if you want to migrate your VS Code settings, extensions, and profiles into Cursor, but you can do that later if you want to. In my case, I'm just gonna skip and continue. Now we can select a theme. I will leave the default one. You can also explore different themes right here. And now you can use keybinds depending on the editor you are used to. If you use VS Code, you can click right here. If you use Sublime Text, you can click there and your key bindings will change. Now you also have the key bindings you will use for the agent, for the cursor tab, and the Control K, which is to edit the code with AI. So you can also change those controls later if you want to. Now I'm just going to continue. And now you can also choose a language for AI. So in my case, I'm going to leave it in English, or you can also leave it as auto, so it will reply on the language you type basically. And then you can also open the software from terminal. So if you want, you can install it right here. In my case, I will pass. And now we are ready to go. So right here we have this code editor, just like Visual Studio Code. As you can see, it looks very similar. So if you are used to that text editor, you should not have any issue with Cursor. As you can see, we have the AI chat right here, the agent, and then with this AI we could use ask anything, we can start generating code directly from here, or we can also import your already made code, and this AI will help you with it. So I just asked for a sample website of a to-do list using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so let's see the result. So as you can see, when this AI creates the code, it will ask you to accept or reject this code. So if you see it and it looks fine, you can accept it right here. And then the same thing when generating content. So it will ask you for permissions to confirm and create this file in this example. So I'm just gonna accept and it will begin creating the code. Now, if we go right here, again, it will ask you for confirmation. So you can accept, or you can do it from here as well. And that's it. And this is the result we got. So this only took like 10 seconds to make. This is obviously a very simple test, but you can type in a much detailed prompt so you can get better things. But as you can see, it's a simple to-do list. You can create new tasks, you can mark it as complete or even delete ones. So we can see it works very good. So with this AI, you could even create websites or web applications and even monetize it. So I will be testing this AI against others, and I will even try to do more professional things to see the real potential of this AI. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.